Morning, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris Oz Canopies and 4x4 back here again. What do we have? We have a Triton GSR. Today, going to get a roller shutter, going to get a central locking kit fitted to the tailgate as well, and a few other bits and pieces. The car's already started, so let's just get into it. Alrighty guys, so hopefully you enjoyed that assembly and fit process. Drop that down, the slow down strut that has been fitted to the tailgate of this bad boy. It's going to be a really nice addition, really good for safety and all that goodness. Very, very straightforward. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a like and leave a comment. For all my 1,170 odd subscribers, all my fans, I love all ears. Like, subscribe, notification bell. We'll see you guys on the next one.